Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we're doing a conclusion video about Manjaro Linux. So this is my login screen, so let me log in. As you can see the boot screen. And here is the complete desktop. So as you can see, I moved my menu bar again to the top, so that's the way I like it. I moved KRunner to the center again, so this is pretty normal. Look at my terminal, so let's do a neofetch on it. You can see I used the red letters again. This is what I like. It's a bit transparent, so this is pretty good. I have two virtual desktops. If you go to the settings, you can see here in the appearance that we're using Desert Global. So this is applied everywhere. So application style is still Breeze. Plasma style is Desert. Colors, I took the red one again. Window decorations, Desert. Fonts, still all default. Icons is the Desert. Cursors is standard Breeze. And the splash screen is also Desert, as you can have seen while logging in. Still everything on the top right, so the clock, hidden icons, network, Bluetooth, battery status, volume, system is up to date, news, Manjaro settings, notifications, the two desktops, and show desktop. And of course, menu on the left. That I don't use, but yeah, it's there. What do I think about Manjaro Linux? Well, overall it has been stable for me. I know we had in the past a lot of issues that while doing an update or something like that, that it could break. I must say it didn't break at all. Everything is working out of the box. It has been a smooth ride. Yeah, I must say I like Manjaro Linux. I don't like the real green colors, but yeah, I like a forest. Yes, I do, as you can see here. But all the green everywhere, that's a bit too much for me. So that's why I changed it. If you look at my file manager, you can see here it's also all the nice desert with the nice icons. So this is something I really like. Yeah, I've been working with it for the last month, must say. Pretty good, no problems at all. It has been running smoothly. All my applications working. So let's say if I look at GIMP, working fine, booting fast. If I look at Audacity, all the plugins in the background starting, so that's why it takes a bit longer, but working fine. If you look at the Office applications, so you have only Office here. It's installed by default, so yeah, you have everything you want. So a document writer, no issues at all. So yeah, all my applications work fine. So overall, been a good run. In the next video, we'll be looking at Endeavour OS. So Endeavour OS with KDE, and we'll do the performance testing on that one again. And I'll be running that one for a month, although I've been running Endeavour for a while. I expect no issues with that one because yeah, it's one of my default installations. But we'll test everything again according to what I did before. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Have fun with Linux. Bye for now.